Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your font size in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to change guys your font size in your Motorola phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change font size in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. Now guys, you can see your display settings, so guys tap here and guys click on this advanced setting, then guys scroll and guys you can see your font size, so guys tap here and guys you can change your font size from here. So guys we will change into large, and guys you can see this largest size, so we will change into, so by font size will change in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change font size in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.